What's the meaning of actualize? Actualize. 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 The term actualize refers to the process of making something a reality or bringing an idea or concept into manifestation. It involves converting a theoretical or abstract idea into something concrete and tangible. When we actualize something, we turn our thoughts into physical actions, which can lead to positive outcomes such as personal growth, achievement of goals, and success. We often use this term to refer to the process of self-actualization, which involves reaching one's full potential and living a fulfilled life. Actualizing something requires effort, determination, and perseverance, but the end result is a sense of accomplishment and a realization of one's true potential.